Greetings, Washington Township staff family. I am your proud superintendent, Dr. Woodson, and I am so excited to share that your school will begin construction soon for major renovations that will impact learning environments for generations to come. This is certainly an exciting time for your school community, but it will also be a time of change and needed flexibility. As staff, you are key to a successful renovation project. This brief video will highlight requirements for all staff, regardless of your role, to adhere to throughout the construction process. Teaching and learning during renovations will continue, but we will need your assistance in ensuring a safe learning environment. Cornerstones to making it through a renovation safely include communications, patience, and perseverance. Anticipation, doing things differently, should be expected. Obviously, in order to renovate a school while it is occupied, there will be things that staff will have to do differently. Flexibility will certainly be appreciated and expected throughout the renovation process. There will also be classroom juggling that will occur, as well as phased construction work. There will be construction interruptions also from time to time. As spaces in your school are remodeled, learning and teaching opportunities exist for space organization, ability to declutter your area, room arrangements, and instructional setups. There will be requirements for your new learning environment for safety reasons and to meet Indiana Code regulations for our schools. These will apply to both classrooms and offices. Your supervisor or principal should be preparing you for these changes and will continue to send out reminders. Construction and workplace safety is also an important key to a successful renovation project. This involves students, faculty and staff, construction workers, and certainly also visitors as well as the community. Awareness of your surroundings and construction activities is vital at all times. Areas that you've known well for many years will begin to take on new aspects. Impactful areas and activities to watch for include communications, construction signs, of course, restricted areas that will be clearly designated, construction fumes and odors, as well as construction noise. I'd like to go through each of those. Starting with construction communications. Construction communications is a very important factor in a successful renovation project of a school. We ask that faculty and staff not have contact with any individual or construction workers or construction supervisors for requests, answers to questions, or any explanations. Instead, we are directing all staff to add inquiries, questions, or requests for information to your school principal. Your principal is the single on-site point of contact for the construction supervisors for your project, and they will have daily communications. If you see a safety concern, however, we ask that any staff member report that immediately to your school principal. Another area is construction signage. Construction signage will be displayed for everyone's safety. Please pay attention to these new signs as they appear. There will be different signs, but all are important to the safety of everyone. Ask your principal if you're ever unclear about a sign you see, and stay alert to new signs throughout the process. Another area are restricted spaces. Staff should stay out of these areas unless you have authorization. These areas include electrical rooms, lockout, tag out, never use or touch the tags or tagged equipment. They can also include mechanical rooms, any spaces or rooms designated by a special sign, fenced off rooms, rooms with barriers, visqueen or taped off areas are restricted for all staff and faculty unless authorized. We ask for your assistance in student supervision of these marked off areas as well. Another area that may come up during your renovation are construction fumes and odors. During renovation, from time to time, there may be materials and activities that may be used in the renovation process that may cause an odor or a fume. If at any time it causes uncomfort, please contact your school principal, who will approach the appropriate construction supervisor. Some construction odors may include paints and solvents, roofing adhesives, mastics, saw cuttings, and plumbing. Another area may be construction noise that you experienced throughout the renovations, in addition to the odors. If you ever have a noise that is extremely disruptive, however, to your teaching and learning process with students, please contact your principal. Some construction noises may include heavy equipment, floor cutting, interior wall work, jackhammering, and hammering. In summary, this is a tremendous opportunity for Washington Township to reshape the learning environment for your school that the community supported through the 2016 referendum. Think about any home renovation that you may have been a part of. Safety and communication are key, but you will have to be flexible and certainly do things differently throughout the renovation. This will be the same for your school renovation project. I appreciate your attention to safety, appropriate communication to your principal during the construction, and your flexibility as we create the future for Washington Township schools.